When Joey and Adam told me that I need to be fearless, I need to be committed, and I need to be open. Whatever the challenge is, whatever the photo shoot is, kailangan, wala akong takot na gawin yun. Kasi ang iniisip ko, para to sa ikagaganda ng photo, ikagaganda ng outcome. Kapag nade-depress ka, of course, nandun yung frustration mo, you wanna have a great photo, but then yung photo na lumabas ang pangit. So, kailangan mo i-turn yung failure mo, yung frustration mo, into motivation and inspiration para lalo mo makuha yung goal mo sa buhay. The show gave me bigger opportunities, like nandiyan yung campaigns na hindi ko in-expect na magagawa ko. Dahil sa Asia's Next Top Model, nabook ko yung mga ganong campaigns. Tapos, ang daming nagtiwala sa akin. Dahil sa show na to, napakita ko sa mundo na hindi lang ako basta model. Pwede nyo rin ako maging inspiration kasi I have my own story and hindi kami nagkakalayo ng mga typical na tao dito sa Pilipinas. Dito ako din napatunayan nung sumali ako sa Asia's Next Top Model na madami pala akong kaibigan. Alam mo yun na full support talaga. Na Jody, whenever you need help, we're always here. Tsaka konting hingi ko ng tulong. Nandyan agad sila as in, okay, we're here to support you. Like, ngayon, ang daming nagpunta, like, walang absent. Kahit hindi kami madalas nagkikita, yun kasi mahalaga doon, hindi kami madalas nagkikita. Pero kapag kinailangan ko ng tulong, lagi silang nandito sa tabi ko. Sabi ni Ate Joey, dun ka sa room ni Thor. Kasi sabi ko, wow, excited ako kasi mahilig ako sa superhero. So, gusto ko si Thor talaga. Kaya na-excite ako, anong itsura? Tapos nung pagkakit ko, nagulat ako dun sa pintuan. Na-shock talaga ako. Lalo akong na-excite pumasok. Tapos nakita ko pa to. Katuloy ako yung wife ni Thor. I just really wanna thank Victoria Court, Kuya Ian, Ate Joey, kasi this is my first time na nagkaroon ako ng party. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng party. Nag-birthday ako, nag-18 ako, lahat, wala. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng party at sila pa yung gumawa. Sobrang memorable nito. Alam mo yun, manalo-matalo. God gave me the right people. In His time talaga na whenever I need help, wala man yung family ko para tulungan ako. Pero still, yung mga friends ko, more than a family, more than a sister yung tingin nila sa akin. They are always there for me. Like, Joey, like, na-shock talaga ako nung binigay nila to sa akin na hindi ko akalain. My future plans after Asia's Next Top Model is to go global and be great. Kasi bata pa lang ako, I really wanna be a supermodel. Pero that was like my dream that was pushed back because I became an athlete when I was in high school. After joining Asia's Next Top Model, sabi ko sa sarili ko, manalo-matalo, walang makakapigil sa goal ko sa buhay. For dun sa mga aspiring models na nanonood nito, so yeah, I'm Jody Lee from Asia's Next Top Model Season 2. And kung meron kayong goal sa buhay, especially you wanna be a model, just go for it. Attract what you want. Kasi when you attract what you want, everything will work on your favor. Tsaka, the world will give you what you want, especially if the world can see na you're working for it. So, you can find me, just follow me on Instagram at Jody Lee Pendred. And follow me also on Twitter, Jody Gaga. And like me on Facebook. So, thank you, Victoria Court, Kuya Ian, and Joey Mead.